In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the orientation of your Microsoft Word document. We'll take you through the process step by step, making it easy and efficient. Whether you're working on a report, a presentation, or just something for personal use, knowing how to switch between portrait and landscape layouts can be incredibly useful. Let's start by opening the Microsoft Word file you want to work on. If you're not sure which one to use, go ahead and create a new document, just to get the feel for how this process works. Once your document is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different tabs in the ribbon at the top of the window. You'll notice tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and others. What we want to focus on today is the Layout tab. Click on the Layout tab. It's typically located towards the right of the menu bar. When you click it, you'll see a range of options specifically designed for adjusting how your document looks. This includes things like margins, paper size, line numbers, and more. But for now, our focus will be on the Page Setup section, because this is where you'll find the tools to change the orientation of your document. Within Page Setup, you'll see an option labeled Orientation. Click on it, and a small drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides you with two choices, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait orientation is the standard layout where your document is taller than it is wide. It's commonly used for letters and standard writings. Landscape orientation, on the other hand, will flip things on their side, making your document wider than it is tall. This can be particularly useful for spreadsheets, charts, or visual-heavy documents where that extra width gives you more space to work with. Select the orientation that best suits your needs. If you're planning a design-heavy presentation, consider using landscape mode. If it's a traditional essay or report, portrait mode is likely the best choice. Once you've made your selection, Word will automatically adjust the entire document to the new orientation. On longer documents, you might encounter multiple sections with varied page setups. If you only want to change a specific section, make sure you've selected the area before adjusting the orientation. And just like that, you're done. Feel free to save your document, and remember, you can switch back and forth between these orientations anytime, so don't worry if you change your mind. You're now equipped to make your Microsoft Word documents look exactly how you envision them. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.